Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, the cool thing about right here, and basically what this is a food vacuum container. So you can definitely put like your beans, your food, or if you guys want to put other dry stuff as well, you can definitely put everything inside right here. The one that we got right here is a 500 milliliters, but they do have bigger ones available. If you guys saw the other videos I did before, I actually tested out like the bigger size before. So it's at the 800 milliliters and the 1100 milliliters as well. And this is from this brand right here. And if you guys don't know how to use the product, they actually provide you guys instruction in the back right here as well. But I'll definitely show you guys how to use it in a second. Let me actually open up and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when we first open up, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. So definitely have a little protection layer. Let me take that out first. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see the actual product right there. So let's take it out. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. And it comes with a charging cable right here. But right here we have the actual product. So I'm actually take it off the wrapper first. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like. When you guys view the material on here, it definitely is a high quality glass. And I really like the fact of how they have the non-slip button right here. Same thing as the previous one that I reviewed as well. So that way when you guys put it onto a flat surface, it won't be as easy to move around. But this is basically what the top part looks like right here, if you guys can see. So they have the little button right here to activate the product. And then right here is a button for you guys to release the air and everything out. And this part right here is where you're going to plug in the cable to activate it. And if you guys need to open the product, just go like this. And you can open up inside right there. But as you can see, when we open up this right here, it's very unique because they provide you guys this little scooper option right here, which the previous one did not provide for us when I actually got it. So that's actually really cool. So if you guys want to use a little scooper to scoop stuff, you can definitely take this out to scoop stuff. And when you're done using it, you guys put it back inside right here, which is pretty nice. So if you guys want to put like cornstarch or flour or brown sugar or whatever, you can definitely put that inside right here and just take out the little spoon to scoop it. And that is basically what the inside looks like. If you can see, definitely pretty spacious, but it's definitely not as spacious as the 800 milliliters and also the 1100 milliliters as well. But basically when you guys are done putting your stuff inside right here, you guys can close it back up. But basically once you guys close it up, you guys can press that button to activate it. And then when you guys want to release the air, just push it out like that to release the air. But right now the product is not charged yet, so we do have to charge it up in order to use it. So I'm going to plug in the cable to test it out first. So we're going to use the cable that they provide for us right here. And I'll plug one side onto my power bank that we have right here. And then the other end we'll plug it on top right here. So just like that, and now it's basically charging the product. So I need to let it charge a little bit in order for it to use this since the battery is completely dead. And in terms of the charging time, how long does it take to fully charge the product from 0 to 100%? It should take roughly around 2 to 3 hours to fully charge up the product, depending on what kind of cable you guys are using. Also, the cool thing about this product is the fact that if you guys want to put it in the fridge, you can definitely do that as well. So that way you guys actually prolong the life of the product inside the container as well. Alright, so I was able to recharge it just a little bit so that we can actually test it out to show you guys what it actually looks like. So the product right now is still charging, but you can definitely use it when it's charging as well. So I'm actually put some stuff inside right here and we'll show you guys how it actually works when you guys put it on a flat surface using the non-slip mat that they have right here, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so I got the container all set right here. I'm gonna add some tea inside and show you guys how it works. So once you put the tea inside, you guys want to close up the lid, and you want to press the button right here to seal it up. Alright, if you haven't here, it stops by itself, so that's how you guys know when it's completely done. And what you want to do when you guys want to open it back up, you guys want to let out the air like this, and then open up the lid, just like that. So pretty easy and very simple to use. So like I mentioned in the bottom right here, they do have the non-slip material right here. So when you guys put it onto your table, when you try to move it, it doesn't really move as easy as without the actual product on the bottom. You can definitely see that it definitely does work with the non-slip material on the bottom. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product, and definitely see that it actually does work and works quite well. Super easy to use and super easy to set up as well. If you guys saw from the test earlier, you can definitely see how easy it is to actually use the vacuum option. If you guys need to release the air, all you need to do is just push the top part to release the air. But definitely also really cool how you guys actually use the product while it's charging as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this container, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys need to store stuff in your cabinet or if you guys want to store stuff in the fridge. You can definitely get this product to actually store stuff in both the cabinet and the fridge like I mentioned, to prolong the life of what you guys are planning to put inside the container. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to want these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.